In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your Windows HD color settings on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the system tile, and then select display on the left panel. On the right side, there should be a Windows HD color setting. Get a brighter and more vibrant picture for videos, games, and apps that support HDR. Select Windows HD color settings. And then assuming that your device or monitor supports it, you will be able to adjust those settings through here. And you can see if your display matches those capability requirements, which in our case it does not. But you'd be able to modify all those settings on this page if those options were available and your monitor was compatible. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.